Today we're going to be talking about 6 reasons why you should be using the revolutionary STRAPO wallet from Q-Link Designs. You may recognize this wallet from Kickstarter, but I'll catch you up if you don't, so let's get started. You're not alone if you're tired of carrying a bulky wallet. The simple, sleek design of the STRAPO wallet provides you with plenty of storage space without having to search through unnecessary slots and pockets of a traditional wallet. The STRAPO wallet is crafted using premium leather that won't fray or tear like other wallets on today's market. The stitching is strong and stylish, and it really showcases Q-Link Design's attention to detail. The elastic strap is a truly innovative feature of the STRAPO wallet. It expands and contracts according to your storage needs, providing you with plenty of room for cards, cash, keys, and anything else you need to keep with you. We've all been there. You're at the register and you can't find your card. The STRAPO wallet's easy access card slot allows you to get to your preferred card with ease. Never dig through your wallet again. Data theft affects millions of people every year, and it's only getting worse. Thieves can get your credit card information using radio frequency identification, or RFID. The STRAPO wallet is designed with RFID blocking technology that keeps your personal information safe. If it's not evident by now, the STRAPO wallet is a truly exceptional and well-designed product. From each of the card slots to the debossed STRAPO logo, you can really tell that Q-Link Designs is committed to quality. The STRAPO wallet is a unique and original minimalist wallet that's perfect for both men and women. I can't recommend it highly enough. Head over to strapodesign.com to get one for yourself.